Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Cajun Ratatouille. Okay, now we want to dice our yellow squash. Okay, so just like the zucchini, even though this is a little bit bigger around than the zucchini was, but much smaller than the eggplant, same idea pretty much. Just take off the end, like that, set it aside. I like to split it lengthwise. These are very firm flesh. See, the seeds are in here, very small, so no problem there. So go ahead and put it flat side down just like that. Run your knife lengthwise again. Go ahead and same dice as your zucchini and your eggplant. Again, uniformity is really important in these because it'll cook at the same rate. And that's what we want, where some, if it's too thick on some and too small on others, some will get mushy, the others won't cook through. So